Okay, so in case there's anyone else out there still wondering how to connect your auxiliary device to your Mercedes Benz, well, pretty much this is a CLK 2005 model. Right here you can see you've got the CDC button right there. You've got a CD changer. Some of you may not have that, but pretty much there is a little connection right here. There's nothing in there yet. There's a part that you have to buy from the dealership. It costs about 45 bucks, but that connection allows you to get a wire that goes down in here and connects to right down here in the floor panel a female connector. With that connector running up through here and into the dash, into the glove box, you can have a little device that hooks into here in this tiny little hole, a 3.5mm jack to be precise, that you then plug into your phone, or plug your phone into with another male to male 3.5mm jack. What I decided to do then is make my own connection. Basically, I took a broken headphone that I had, cut the other end off, and kept the 3.5mm jack portion, soldered it into, actually basically this comes up, you pop this off, take this off there, screw in here, you use a Torx 20 bit, and that comes right off, so that's really easy. I then went ahead and found the connector and soldered it in. This connection basically has 3 wires inside: red, white, and black. Black is ground, red is for the right channel, left is the white, white is the left channel. You only need 3, but if you find one that you want to use, like a regular headphone jack with 4, obviously it would still work. There are 4 connections on the part that's down in here. Okay, so basically I've got my phone connected, the music's playing but you can't hear it yet. I've got the radio on, I've got it on FM. You press and hold CDC, input active. See, now this music playing is from my phone. The only problem with that is that I have to control it from the phone, and with the short cable that I did, I mean, I could put this in the glove box and that'll be fine. I actually ran the cable earlier to where it's going through here and in the glove box right in here. I actually had it coming out of here, but for right now I'm gonna take it a step further. See, everything you'd have to control from the phone, whatever you're playing would be controlled directly from the phone. I want my phone to sit on my charging port in the car and use my navigation from the phone or anything else from the phone, like a telephone call or something like that, on my Bluetooth headset, while using Bluetooth to listen to my music and having some kind of control. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop this. Okay, so my camcorder died, so I'm finishing this video with my phone. Okay, I've got a broken headset. My son broke this, so I figured, you know what, might as well put it to use, right? It still works. It's just broken. And I like the fact that it's got the controls on there, and you know, to control my music, which in a way they're kind of similar to the controls on the car, the rounded AC controllers and rounded buttons. So I'm gonna need that. From Radio Shack, I went and I got an 8-foot 3.5mm male to 3.5mm female jack. There's that right there. Male to female. And I'm going to connect this female to the male that I have here already from earlier. for the auxiliary port. Then I'm going to run that the length of the glove box under here. There are two screws that I'd have to first remove. One's right there. The other one is somewhere over here. Yeah, right around there. And then I'll get it through here, come up in here, maybe under and into this area, or over here near the steering wheel. I could get it over here somehow by running it behind the behind all this back here, or just behind the radio. Not sure which way I'm gonna go yet, but I think I'm gonna start off by putting it close by my hands, and my hand is usually up here when I'm driving, so I'm thinking maybe inside here I could put it so it's out of the way, it's hidden, and still serves a function when I need it to you know, forward, rewind, and so on and so forth. And the reason I did a female to male is because I already had this cable for just regular auxiliary. So what I'm gonna have to do, and I did think ahead and buy that from Radio Shack, I bought a female coupler for the 3.5mm jack. That way I'm gonna plug this. Once I get it up here, I'll plug it into one end, and then the other end would serve as a quick disconnect. So I'm gonna cut and solder this, and I might take a picture, add it in a video so you can see what I'm doing. But I'm gonna solder all 4 wires from LG Bluetooth to the headphones jack. That way I've got this as a quick disconnect for the other end of this, which would complete the connection with the coupler. Okay, got the panel down, got the wires up in there. I'm about to run it through here and into the center console area. Got the ashtray out, shifter off, and I think for now I'm just gonna put it in the center console area. Right, so it's completely tucked away. Can't see anything there. That's where it is. Ends up here. Tuck that away nice and neat. No wires to see there. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in there. It's gonna be kind of hard doing it while looking through the camera in one hand. Okay, feed that through, and voila, there it is. So my excess wire is going to stay down here, and now I just need to find a way to get it into the upper part of the console here. Okay, install complete. Let's see what she does.
K-band. KA band.
There it is.
Laser.
Bluetooth.
Setting to mode.
Bluetooth controller. Phone. Auxiliary mode already selected. Bluetooth already turned on. Simply press play.
11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, the party about the pop, party about the pop, about the pop, yeah, the party about the pop, about the pop, yeah, the party about the pop, about the pop, yeah, the party about the pop, about the pop, yeah, the party about the pop, about the pop, yeah, the party about the pop, about the pop, yeah, the party about the pop. And I make up my little dollars and say Life is a why mankind so evil? Echo. Jamaica, we need a way.
Back it up one.
Jamaica, we need a.
Fast forward.
We need a way.
Actually, let's call someone. I could use this as my mic.
Yeah.
Hey, can you hear me okay? Sound clear?
You're going to do that side? Okay.
Yeah, in the car.
Alright, that work fine.
Yeah, man, it sound like that worked good. You can't hear me okay though, right?
Yeah, man, I'm trying to hear.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man. Alright, cool.
Alright, so now I can stop that, turn it off, and unplug it. That's my quick disconnect. Lock it up, and I'm out. Hope you like.